Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Apple Intelligence on iOS 18. So first let me make you sure that Apple Intelligence is only available to iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or any iPhone with iPhone 16 like iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, 16 Plus, etc. and other ones. So now if you want to turn on your Apple Intelligence on iOS 18, so first of all you have to check for your iOS version because it will need at least 18.2 or newer versions. You have to go to general, then tap on the software updates and make sure you were on the newer versions of iOS. As you can see, I am not on the latest version, so mine is only saying Siri. But if you're on the latest version and if you have compatible devices, it will say Siri and Apple Intelligence here, and it will be a little yellowish logo. It will show you a little yellow color logo, and then you have to tap on this option and it will say Apple Intelligence and Siri on the top right here, where you can see that it's saying talk to Siri. It will say Apple Intelligence and Siri if you have a compatible device, and you have to toggle it on, and that's it. This is how you can turn on your Apple Intelligence on iOS 18. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.